Baz. Come here. Come here. Look. What's this? Come here. Sit. Sit. Over here. Come over here. I'm going to teach you to lay down. Come here. Sit. Down. Lay down. Lay down. Nope. Nope. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. No, sit. 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 No, stop. Stop. Lay down. Lay down. Lay. Lay down. That's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Now sit. Sit. No. Sit your butt. Don't be lazy again. Sit your butt. Sit. Sit. I said sit. Or you're not going to get it. Ouch. I'll bite. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good kitty. Right there. The process of training a cat is not that easy. Sit. Lay. Lay down. Come here. Lay down. Sit. Sit your butt. No. Sit your butt. No. Bad. No. No. Much more aggressive. Cats are much more aggressive about their treats than dogs are. That's the only trouble I've been having. You gotta lay down. Lay down. Lay. Lay. Come here. Okay, that's enough trying to train her to lay down.